Stock market, Bursa Malaysia is expected to continue its rally next week on solid fund inflow. Among the contributing factors are optimism that the current government will retain power come May 5th, the positive reversal in commodities prices, the firm regional sentiment, as well as the strong ringgit performance. As of last week, the local equity market attracted 13.1 billion ringgit in foreign funds in less than 4 months. This compares with 13.7 billion ringgit for the whole of 2012. The solid fund inflow, especially after polling dates were announced and mostly parked in government-linked companies, indicates investor confidence of the likely win of the incumbent government. And there could be another strong equity push in the final run-up towards polling day. For the week just ended, the market saw strong buying support, with the index ending at an all-time high. On Friday-to-Friday basis, the ABM KLCI gained 5.01 points to finish at 1,711.29. As for the ringgit, the local unit is expected to strengthen against US dollar next week, prompted by market talk on monetary easing in Japan and Europe, which will boost more demand for emerging market assets. The local note is expected to advance for the 6th week, the longest rally in more than 3 years. On a Friday-to-Friday basis, the ringgit was slightly better at 3.03300375. Meanwhile, CPO futures contracts are expected to hover between 2,200 and 2,300 ringgit per ton next week amid positive export data. Traders say exports for the first 25 days of April were very convincing and would help ease the high inventory. On a Friday-to-Friday basis, spot month May 2013 added 18 ringgit to settle at 2,301 ringgit per ton last week. On the physical market, May South ended 2,320 ringgit per ton, up 20 ringgit from last week. On to rubber, the market is expected to be uncertain next week due to the absence of fresh leads. A dealer says market participants may refrain from active dealing ahead of a series of holidays next week in Japan and China. On a week-to-week basis, tire grade SMR 20 added 28.5 to 733